Yes. Let's get straight into it. We have done another trade recap. We will go through some. I took one trade today. It's the 26th of September. And today I did take one trade only. And it was a loss. And let me go through why. So, first of all, we are inside this, still respecting this orange area, which is our weekly busy. Okay, so this is our orange area. This high to this wick low, this is our weekly bullish fair value gap, right? And then if we zoom out, we can see that we are in a bullish trend, quite frankly, right? And we see this kind of shift from bearishness to bullishness, right? And now we are moving quite sideways. So this is weekly, right? And we can see here on the weekly that we have pushed up, we came back down, we liquidated these two lows, we entered this blue area, which is our weekly busy too. And then after that, we saw this huge bullish engulfing pattern, right? So that for me indicated that we are bullish. And we can see also here that I have written down as we are bullish on the weekly, we are bearish on the daily, and on the H4 we are still bullish. If we go down to daily, and this one was formed, or I wrote it when we was at this level. So we did have this, we closed below this wick low, and so we could see that we are in a lower time frame, we are in a bearish area. But what I have seen is that we are inside this bullish fair value gap. We have tapped into this bullish daily order block, but haven't succeeded in taking out this high. So it indicates that we do have problems with going up. Okay. So on the daily, we are still bullish. We are still bearish on the daily. If we go down to the H4, so my range was from this low to this high, right? And we can see that we are forming higher highs and higher lows. Lower lows and lower highs, right? So we have a high, low, lower high, lower low. Lower high once again compared to that one, lower low, and we have failed to attack the buy side liquidity. This was my drawn liquidity, honestly. But so my thought process was like this: okay, we're still in this H4 bullish range, which we still are in. But when you have problems with getting any bullish momentum, then you need to understand that, okay, if it feels like, okay, bearish, the bears are in control, and that's the only truth. So, and now once I saw this kind of when I saw we had this Asian low, we took out that Asian low on the this is the H1 time frame now. So and I did have this stop loss, this sell limit at this level, but we didn't tap into it. And why I did that is because we closed below this low, right? So this one I entered, I lost, and it was the same reason as I said on, I think it was a previous trade recap. And so once I saw that we broke below this low, I understood that, okay, price is ready to price is ready to go down. We just need a retracement up to a premium if we look for sells, and it depends on where you draw your Fibonacci from. But if you draw from here, the equilibrium is at this level, and I wanted to sell just above, but we didn't get into it. We came just, and then we melted, took the TP. Nice. This would be quite a 1 to 4 quite easily. So what did price do instead? Price went down, and as I am still bullish, because we are bullish on the weekly and we were bullish on the H4, or we are still bullish on the H4, this is our H4 range. I wasn't comfortable with taking this low as a target. So once I saw what I wanted to see, that okay, the sentiment of the lower time frame is correlating with the higher time frame, which is bullishness, right? So once we saw that we broke below from this high to this low, and then afterwards we took out that high. Okay, so we took out this high, this swing point, which in my mind I thought like, okay, we have taken out this high now. This should be enough. This should be like, okay, we are in phase, right? We are bullish on the H4, we are bullish on the weekly. Now we're bullish on the H1 too, right? So, and we do have this swing point, and we do have this bullish order block just below. So the markets have been choppy. So during London today, this was my trade today. So I saw this. If we go down to the M15, I saw these rejections at this M15. I will take away the big orange area because we know that it is no. It is our weekly. Let me change color. So yeah, we can see that we do have this bullish order block on the M15. So I draw it as my last area of interest where price could get a rejection from. From this point, I was very bullish because why? We had taken out that Asian high, and we had taken out the Asian low, and we saw this break of structure, right? So we do now have our new range from this low to this high, and from that I entered a long position once I saw 3 rejection candles, and so I entered a long, and we can see that price just took me out. So that for me is like, okay, there is no bullish pressure. We are disrespecting every bullish PD race, so it just means that GA is ready to melt, and we need just to get a last push up, and then we will get some kind of if we can get one push up and we can form our head and shoulders, head, shoulders, that could be enough for us to look for some very good short opportunities, right? Because this one, I'm quite sure that price is ready to go down, right? So now I just need to find a area of interest where price could get one last rejection from, and preferably that would be above this equilibrium, and then I will just like this will be the next draw of liquidity. We will take out this low, and we will go down to, we will maybe take out all of this trendline liquidity too, honestly. So this trendline is a liquidity. So there's a high chance that we may take out this low and all of these lows. And yeah, I've been on the wrong side of the market quite sometimes now, so I just need one more chance to look for this short, and we will see a, I think, very good move to the downside. And yeah, and I think this one is like a pip move of 195 pips. Let's see if we can target that move. And yeah, so this is my last play on GA. That's basically it. So yeah, one trade, one loss. It was this long. I lost on it, so it just indicates that okay, we are very much ready to go down, down. And then preferably we are maybe just engineering these highs and all this liquidity for price to just go down one more time to this level and then explode. Okay, that's basically it. Okay, take care and have a good maybe trading day tomorrow. See you.